Okay, this is how you install the freestanding sign. You have three people, two holding the legs on the side, and one person will lift up the board and insert it into the slit inside the thing. You'll gently insert it inside, and then you will push the pegs inside. Joaquin, can you do from this side so we could see? No, from this side.
It's not the whole. Oh, you have to make.
You line it up in the hole, and you just push it through. It'll go through the board and come out the other end. And you do that on both sides.
Right there.
Come on. And sometimes it might be easier to use a steps tool if you're not able to reach the height. So you do that on one side, and then you do that on the other side, and now you have a freestanding sign. And to remove the sign is that simple. So what you do is there's a dowel. You push the dowel through. Go ahead, Ro. You push it through, and it'll come out the other end. And go ahead and yank it out. It should come out pretty easy. And then you do the same thing on the top. You take it out, making sure the person is holding on to it. And then you do it on the other side. You just use another dowel to push it through. It should come out pretty simple. Again, it might be easier if there's a step stool, so you could see. There you go. It came right out. You pull it out. And then the last dowel on the bottom. And then when you take it out, the two people on the side will hold the legs, and then the person in the middle will gently put the sign back down.